Welcome to my channel. In the next 2 minutes, I will break down Edison International into a story, how it was, why it's poised for big gains, and exactly how you capture profit as one of the most and the top global stocks to invest in 2025 in this July. Edison International is a regulated utility in Southern California. Three pillars drive its growth. Rate-based growth. Regulators allow fixed return, about 8 to 9% on capital invested in power plants and guard upgrades. AI data center demand. Hyperscalers are building massive server farms, lifting electricity volumes. Predictable cash flow. Monthly billing create stable revenues, even in downturns. These numbers tell the story. Double-digit growth on safe base, a 6.5% yield and 50% upside to street targets. You make money two ways. Number one, dividends, 6.5% paid quarterly, straight to your account. 2. Capital gains, as EPS claims 24.5% multiple re-rate from today's PE near 7 up towards 10 to 11, pushing the share price higher. Before you buy, read the latest Q1 report, revenue plus 12%. Note the approved rate-based increase. Check analysis made $70 target. Decide your style, set a limit order near $50. Protect gains with a 10% stop loss below entry and alert at 20% to 50%. Follow quarterly updates and regulatory news. New data center contract can be catalyst. That's the full Edison International playbook. Business model metrics, profit drives, and live execution. Hit like if you are buying EIX today. Subscribe for more and ask your questions in the chat. Thanks for watching. Happy investing. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe now.